Abdali Grammar School, Social Studies, Lesson Geography, Chapter number 1, The Earth in Space, Lecture number 1. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our first chapter, that is the Earth in Space. And the first topic which we are going to discuss is about the shape of Earth. Do you know what is Earth look like? Our Earth is look like a huge ball, and this ball shape resemble to sphere. My dear students, are you getting my point? Now tell me, what is our Earth look like? What is our Earth look like? Our Earth is like a huge ball, and we call this shape a sphere. Our Earth is like a huge ball. We call this shape a sphere. Earth is not quite round. Yes, this is true. Our Earth is not quite round, but it is flattened at the top and the bottom, at the north and the south pole. These two pictures clearly show you that the Earth is not a round surface. It is flat from the top and the bottom, at the north and the south pole. Now students, now answer my question. Is our Earth quite round in shape? Is our Earth quite round in shape? No, it is not quite round, but it is flattened at the top and the bottom, at the north and south pole. Our next slide is about early people ideas about shape of Earth. Dear students, do you know, hundreds of years ago, people had various ideas about the Earth. Some people thought it was flat. Most believed that the Earth was at the center of the universe. They thought the sun and the planets move round the Earth. These are the three different ideas about the shape of Earth. My dear students, can you tell me what were the most people believed about the shape of Earth? What were the most people believed about the shape of Earth? Yes, hundreds of years ago, people had various ideas about the Earth. Some people thought it was flat. Most believed that the Earth was at the center of the universe. And some thought the sun and the planets moved round the Earth. Repeat once again. They thought it was flat. Most believed that the Earth was at the center of the universe, and some of them thought the sun and the planets moved round the Earth. Our next slide is quite interesting. It's about astronauts. Yes. Dear students, do you know who are astronauts? Who are astronauts? Astronauts are persons who are trained to travel in space. Yes, astronauts are people who are trained to travel in space. Interesting. Dear students, now tell me how many of you want to be an astronaut in future? Write your name in comment section and tell me what you want to be in your future life. I hope many of you want to be an astronaut. So my dear students, tell me who are astronauts? Astronauts are people who are trained to travel in space. Spaceship. The journey of the astronaut toward the space becomes possible with the help of spaceship. Yes, many of you have seen such spaceships in cartoons. But these spaceships exist in the real life, and these spaceships make the journey of astronaut possible towards space. Now, my dear students, tell me that how astronaut has been sent into space. How astronaut has been sent into space? Answer is quite simple. Astronaut has been sent into space through spaceships. Yes, these are spaceships who make this journey possible. Interesting. Let's talk about space probes. Dear students, do you know what are space probes? Space probes are the machines that have been sent out into space to find out more about the universe. Are you getting my point? Dear students, now tell me what are space probes? Machines called space probes have been sent out into space to find out more about the universe. My dear students, what are space probes? Space probes are machines that have been sent out into space to find out more about the universe. Is it clear now? Satellite. Satellite orbit go around the Earth. Yes, satellites are the bodies who orbit around the Earth. Have you seen such satellite on television? Yes, all of us are familiar with such satellites because we have seen such pictures on television in our daily life. My dear students, now can any one of you explain what are satellites? What are satellites? Satellites are the machines that orbit or go around the Earth. I repeat once again, satellites are the bodies that orbit around the Earth. My dear students, repeat once again, what are satellites? Satellite orbit around the Earth. Purpose of satellite. Satellite receive and send radio and television signals and gather and send information such as high quality images of space back to the Earth. This is the function or a purpose of satellite. My dear students, now can you tell me what is the purpose of sending satellite in space? What is the purpose of sending satellite in space? Satellite receive and send radio and television signals and gather and send information such as high quality images of space back to the Earth. Repeat along with me. Satellite receive and send radio and television signal and gather and send information such as high quality images of space back to the Earth. Improved maps. Some satellite images have been used to improve maps. Yes, this is true. Some satellite images have been used to improve maps. So dear students, can you tell me how can we improve maps? How can we improve maps? Yes, satellite sent images have been used to improve map. Every one of us has used such maps in our telephones and mobiles to find out locations. This is our first topic and I hope this video will be quite interesting for you and it help you to understand your lesson in a better mean. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.